Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Pakistan. On tonight's menu, Aloo Palak and Kali dal. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Here we are rinsing the dal, and then we'll set it to soak for several hours. The mise en place for the dal, we're heating up some ghee in a saucepan, and then I add the seeds until they start popping. Then I add the onion and saute for several minutes. And then I add the ginger and the garlic and continue to saute for about 30 seconds. And then I add the rest of the spices and get them sauteed in. And then I add the dal. Then I add the water and give it a good stir. I bring it to a boil. Set on low and simmer for about 2 hours. The mise en place for the Aloo Palak. Heating up some ghee in a Dutch oven. I add the onions and give it a saute for a few minutes. I add the ginger, the garlic, and the green pepper. Add the potatoes and all the spices and give it a good stir. We're going to brown them a little bit. And then I add the tomatoes and the water and give it a stir. We're going to bring it to a boil. And then we're going to simmer this for about 20 minutes. Here's the dal with I added the salt. And it's going to simmer again for about 5 minutes. Then I add the spinach to the palak. And it's going to simmer for just a few minutes. Then I add the kasturi methi. Give it a good stir. Here's the finished dal. Here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Have fun cooking.